Hello, this is Miss Andrea. One of the things I've been doing for the past, I don't know, 5 months during COVID is online shopping. With all the civil unrest going on, I've rethought my purchasing habits, and while I've always tried to buy from black brands, I upped that and I try to spend at least a couple hundred a week on that. With that said, I went ahead and purchased the big black bag from WeBuyBlack.com. So my box came pretty quickly, and this is my second box. This time I purchased the $100 box. The time before that, I purchased the $25 box. And so I was surprised to see that my $100 box was the exact same size as my $25 box. So that was my first impression. I pried it open, and my next impression was that, oh no, the We Buy Black bag is no longer there. It was a beautiful vinyl bag that said We Buy Black on it. And instead, I just got a party gift bag, and that made me a tiny bit sad. The next thing I noticed was that there was no t shirt. Why ask my t shirt size if you're not going to send me a t shirt? I got a t shirt in the $25 bag, and it was great quality. And I gave it to my son because it was black with the orange logo, and those are just kind of his favorite colors. So, what did I receive? Let's see. Claudio St. James, The Edge Control. I used it. It's light. It's a light edge control. It's not for gluing down, but it's for, smoothing down with a brush. It'll do fine. And the edge control came in at $9.99. The next item is a game called, what was it called? Trap Wars. It reminds me of Cards Against Humanity, which I own and spent a lot of money on because I really enjoyed the game. And I bought extension boxes and the whole 9 yards. Trap Wars cost $22.99. The next item is Coils by Nature, replenishing hair and scalp shampoo, eucalyptus and lavender. The shampoo costs $15.99. And then we have a body soap called The Skin I'm In. It is a $6.99 item. It smells delicious. And I may have used it once before. It seems very familiar to me. I'm wondering if it was in my last box. It may have been. My favorite item, and the item I was crossing my fingers for, the K Cotton swabs. They have the black stick. They kind of look like a negative. I love them. I love them so much that I gave them to my son because he has an ear problem, and these just do a really good job. I think because they're so tight that the cotton doesn't push. The next item is Self Care Salt Soak by Olive Berry. And I didn't get the same bottle as they show on their website, but the same amount of product is $15.99. So then I got some leave-in conditioner samples, which I gave to my friend today because I use special hair for alopecia problems, and so I would never use that. But I will use the shampoo because it has the eucalyptus and lavender in it, which are products that I need. Oh, this item, the Oral Fix oralfixbeauty.com. It is a nude lipstick for our darker brown girls. I'm more medium, but I'm going to use it also. Having darker lips is so much better than having pale lips when you put on a new lipstick. I am very happy with this. It's a $24.99 item. And I actually stopped and swatched it. I love these lids. I have the same lid for a lip gloss I have. I love the glowing. Look at that gorgeous color on my skin. Oh my gosh, it's so much better than beige lipstick. So, benefit of black owned brand, when you get a nude, you get the right color. Hello. Finally, we have Coils by Nature Nourishing Hair and Body Butter Marvelous Mango. I used it today, just, oh God, the smallest dab on the end of my finger as I was taking out my micro braids, and it really helped me avoid a lot of knots and breakage. So as you can see, I got a couple of items from Coils by Nature, including the samples for the leave-in conditioner. I'm taking these on vacation with me. I'm going to check my luggage and take this with me. It seems to be a bit of a treat. I have the lipstick, which is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. So pleased getting lipstick from a black-owned brand. Even when I used to get a black beauty box, the nudes were still too light because, well, they ended up closing. I just think they weren't able to secure enough black-owned brands. And so they weren't even getting colors for someone of a medium skin tone. We have the Q-tips, which I love. I'm over there smelling the soap. And Trap Wars. Okay, so quick foray. I'm glad we have Trap Wars because I found that I have to divorce my Cards Against Humanity. If you Google Cards Against Humanity and treatment of Black employee, they had a Black employee put in the mental hospital. That's what I'm going to say. The gaslighting is real. The gaslighting was real. I mean, their cards are brutal, and their treatment of their fellow humans are also brutal. This smells orangey, and like I said, it's a light feel. So it smooths down your edges, but it doesn't you're not going to get swoopy swirlies with it unless you go for broke. What else? And so, here's the thing. I got a box before, like I said, a $25 box. And in the $25 box, I got a t-shirt, which was worth probably $25 by itself. I got the cotton swabs before. I got the self-care soak before. I got bath soap and a couple of small items. I feel like in my $25 box, I feel like I got $60 worth of items. And when you buy a box set, you're expecting to get more bang for your buck. And this $100 set, I got $116.91 worth of items. And so I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed because when you buy a box set, you expect to get box set prices. And I did not. And I went and bought this $100 set with my fingers crossed because I had gone into WeBuyBlack.com to buy specific items that I love. And the shipping per item was just so much because each vendor is different, kind of like eBay, that I just decided that I could afford it. But on the other hand, I didn't have to pay all that shipping, and I got some products I'm really happy with. So these are the products. There's nothing I won't use. I'm glad I only got a sample of the leave-in conditioner because I gave it away. So, yeah, I might do some more shopping hauls in the future. I buy everything online before COVID, and now I super buy everything online. So, until next time.